Okay, so I had time on Saturday to go couponing after my husband got off work. And I went to go get the Halloween candy. Look, they already got Christmas stuff out. Lord. Anyway, I went to Halloween stuff. I wanted to do the coupon deal for the candy. And when I tell you, I was at this aisle for about like 3 or 4, let me not be extra, about a good 30 minutes because I could not find any good candy. Like, you don't see nothing that says Snickers on here. You see Kit Kats and Reese's, all that's gone. I don't know what the hell they did with that box. Did they just empty it out and take everything else? So I looked at the bags that I wanted to get initially because that's the ones you coupon with. They ain't had nothing but a bunch of Twizzlers and stuff. Who keeping Twizzlers in business? Okay, that's terrible. That even in there, you see the sweet tarts and stuff. So I moved on to regular couponing. I didn't have time for that. I went and grabbed the Airwick because the Airwick is completely free. Right here, it says $4. There's a coupon for $4, so you get it absolutely free. But it also adds to the total for the 5 off 25. All right, I ended up switching the cart up and got nothing but some toilet tissue, some paper towels, some Kleenex for the summer, the stuff I really, really needed. So I ended up spending $20.64 for my first receipt. You know what? Where I messed up on this receipt, it would have been like $18, but I forgot. I got so excited over the transaction, I forgot for them to scan the $2 credit that I had on my Dollar General card. So there was that one. But that's still good for the items that I got. That big old thing of tissue and stuff like that. That was good for the items that I got. And for the other transaction, well, for the first transaction, I saved $13. When I saved $14 for the bounty and the other one. I don't know if y'all can see that. So yeah, it wasn't a bad haul for somebody who was just starting out. All right, so I got down making some enchiladas today. We use ground turkey in our house. We do not use ground beef. Ground beef is very greasy to us. And, it took us a while to convert, but we ain't went back. So get the red enchilada sauce and I layer it with the cheese and the tortillas and stuff like that. I was lazy today, so I didn't roll them. I just layered them because I just wanted to hurry up and get it done. It still turned out really, really, really good. Add the cheese. I made about 3 layers of it. And here's the finished product.